ഗായ്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു ദി ചാനൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഞങ്ങൾ പുറത്ത് പോവാണ്. ബേസിക്കലി ഇവനെയും കൊണ്ട് നടക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. സോ ഇവനെ വീട്ടിലിരുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത് ശരിയല്ല. സോ നോക്കിയപ്പോൾ വെതർ കണ്ടില്ലേ, മഴയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മഴയത്ത് നമ്മൾ എവിടെ പോകാമെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ബീച്ചിൽ പോവാണ്. അപ്പം ചേട്ടായി പ്രാം എടുക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പോയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആൻഡ് യാ, അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ദിവസം എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് കാണിച്ചു തരാം. ദിവസമല്ല, ലൈക്ക് ഒരു 2-3 hours ബീച്ചിലോട്ട് പോകണം. I'll show you what we do. So we're here at KFC for lunch. Is that Burnham?
Yeah, possibly.
Oh. Looks like it.
You go for a swim?
Oh, that's cute. I think it's for the kids, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh.
The side's up saying no swimming. I think I went swimming when I was younger.
You did?
Yeah, I think so.
It's been there for donkey's years.
Yeah, pretty much.
That means you're old.
You're the ass. I love that.
Shut up. Okay. Can we get on the sand?
Not with the pram, no, it's a pain in the ass.
Look, there is vehicles down there.
And they've got the tyres especially designed for the sand. These tyres sink.
Ah. Okay. I'm tired. I think it's the fresh air making me feel sleepy.
Like it's the old age.
Shut up. I'm not even that old. I'm only 27. And you are 32.
Is that this year or next year?
This year. Wait. No.
I've lost count.
Wait, you've got to be 33 this year.
I am, yeah.
I married an old man. Never mind.
You catch up with me every day. I can't
But you're worth it.
I'm still debating.
Sarangye, babe. Bah. Don't worry, he hates having his phone on his face. My phone on his face. He doesn't like it. It's just an antisocial buddy. Yeah.
He hasn't learned how to tell you to fuck off yet.
He liked taking selfies and stuff. Did you, buddy? Why are you sitting funny?
Because he can.
You sit funny every time. There you go. You want to help Daddy to push the pram?
You do it.
I think you bring the handle all the way down. You might be able to hold it.
Theo, Theo, hold it here. Hold it here. That's it. Push. That's it. Push. Good boy.
Good boy, Theo. You're getting ready to become a big brother. Should we give another 5 years of time? Then you can be an actual big brother. Just kidding. You wanted to be a big brother, do you? Theo. Theo. Monkey. Hi. You wanted to hold on the side, then you push.
Yeah, the wheels get in the way, like.
Ah.
Push from there. That's it. He's loving this.
He is. The sun is out, rain is gone. Now I'm feeling hot with this hoodie on.
Tough.
That's better. Come on, Theo. My hair is coming undone. Ouch. Never mind. You okay?
He's watching his feet. He said no, sorry.
Theo, can mommy take a picture? Buddy. Theo, should mommy take your pictures?
Stop.
Can I take a picture, please? Please.
He says,
Keep
I'm busy.
giving me dirty
Good.
looks.
He says I'm busy.
Can mommy take one picture of you? No? How could you ignore mommy like this? Huh? Hey, can mommy take one picture? Just
Makes a
one
funny
picture.
noise, and he will.
Help! I can't work it out. Is he pooing? Got like a weird face thing going on.
Could be.
Ah!
Go.
Crouch. Uh-oh.
Push. It's the wrong way.
It's walking backwards.
He is.
Weird little monkey. Watch out. Don't fall. What happened?
He was watching the car and he decided to stop and pee at the same time.
cuddles. Theo, give mommy cuddles. Mommy cuddles. 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 Aww.
What are you doing on the floor, mate?
Watch your fingernails. It's gonna get dirty.
So,
You don't deal with his fingernails. It's how I have to deal with it. Deal with it. You don't like sit and let me do it. I have to work hard to do that. Ugh.
you're working hard once in a blue, mate. Why not?
Shut up. Dad? Dada? Eh? Just chilling and പിന്നെ നല്ല ആ കാണുന്ന വ്യൂസ് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാം. അതൊരെണ്ണമുണ്ട്, ഇതാ ഒരെണ്ണം, പിന്നെ ഇതാ ഒരെണ്ണം. പോവാന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു, ബട്ട് never mind. Spinning. It's actually spinning a little bit fast. London Eye is worse. It doesn't even barely move. Don't feel
I think
it.
there's like one person on it. Like, you see, just coming to it. Yeah, literally one bloke getting towards the top now.
I see. I think it's an old lady.
Old person of some description, yeah.
Why not? He's having fun. I'll love to go on there too. See,
You
there's.
said something earlier.
But you said they don't work it.
It didn't look like it was.
Aww. Does it got just one round or
I don't know, I don't work.
couple around?
Never been on, no, don't work.
Yeah, I see someone there. Just one person. It's a couple. Oh, they go a couple of rounds.
Probably.
Up guys, ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ഇത് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു വോക്ക് മാത്രമാണ്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഞങ്ങൾ ബീച്ച് സൈഡിൽ നടക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് വന്നതാണ്. പിന്നെ വേറൊന്നുമില്ല. ഞങ്ങൾ ഇഷ്ടമാണെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കണ്ട. പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കണ്ട. അടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ കൂടെ ഞെക്കാൻ മറക്കണ്ട. അപ്പോൾ ഞങ്ങളെപ്പോൾ വീഡിയോ ഇട്ടാലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ കിട്ടും. ആൻഡ്